There in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Nintendo Switch online membership completely for free, guys, on your phone. This is totally working and is super cool. So if you want to get the Nintendo Switch online membership but you can't afford it, I'm going to show you guys how to get a fully working promo code right now. So this is going to get you the Nintendo Switch online membership for free. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. It's super cool. So go to zestcoupons.com and then just go to the search bar and just type in Nintendo Switch online membership, and as you can see it comes up. Press see more and then scroll down and press show coupon, unlock code. You can see there's over 900 coupons available right now, and that's how you get the Nintendo Switch online membership for free. Now as you can see, there's currently a 900 of these, so we can look it up together. Nintendo Switch online membership cost, and as you can see it's probably like thousands of dollars. It's $80 a month, so be sure to try this out, guys. It's super insane, fully works. So if you want to get the Nintendo Switch online membership for free, be sure to try this out right now while it's still working. It's super cool, and all you gotta do is go over to the zestcoupons.com. so that's how you can get it for free. So I'll see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to my channel. This is super cool and you can get it and be cool with it. So yep, so I'll see you later. Subscribe to my channel. But yeah, this is super insane, guys. It's a fully working method. So yeah, if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. Just get the word out, you know, because this is super cool. It's fully updated and everything like that, which is pretty crazy. So I'll see you guys later, but yeah, get the word out because this is fully working and everything like that. If you're broke and you can't afford the Switch membership, it's totally fine, guys. You can get it for free using this site. That's what I did. So I'll see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. And yeah, it is fully updated and everything like that. So I'll see you guys later. Subscribe. This is super awesome and it's updated and everything like that. So if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. It's super cool. It's updated and everything like that. So I'll see you guys in another video, and peace out.